Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts here, and today we are with Brian Burg of Pure View Windows in beautiful Ventura, California. And he is going to show us weather shield windows. This is something I'm not even familiar with.
So we ended up with Weather Shield after Milgard discontinued their Essence line.
Gotcha.
There's still a demand out there for a wood-clad window. So what that means is it's a wood window, and then the exterior on Weather Shield is aluminum. On Milgard it was fiberglass. There's a little bit of concern when you start putting these in near the beach.
And what would the concerns be for somebody who lives by the beach putting in a window like this?
Fiberglass, I mean, obviously is not going to corrod
Right.
with salt water, where aluminum
It's highly susceptible to rust by the ocean and stuff. Same thing is true about any other window. Kind of going off here, but if you live by the beach, I mean,
metal and salt water don't get along.
they just don't.
What I like about them is that you do get the higher end window with the wood on the inside. So this is a painted wood product, so it's been painted black. It's still wood. What I don't like about the double hungs and the sliders is you get a lot of this plastic stuff.
Okay.
And it doesn't match whatever's going on the inside. I'm not a huge fan of that, but they operate so nice. I mean, this is a double hung, so it slides top and bottom.
And it's got a good range of motion too.
Yeah, a lot of double hung windows, they put blocks down, so when you open it, it stops about a third of the way or something.
And this thing got
This one goes all the way up.
full travel. Yeah, that's nice.
This window here is a casement window, and if you were to spin that around, you could see there's no plastic that you're really staring at.
Yeah, so you're looking at all wood from the inside.
Yeah.
Really nice hardware.
So
Nice
yeah.
smooth operation. You know, obviously this is a sample size window, but fact of the matter is, it's probably gonna operate the same, installed the right way. It's probably gonna be extremely easy to open. So props are given to this brand for, you know, the operation of the window itself and the beauty of it. I mean, wood, there's something about wood, right? I mean, vinyl windows, you know, they do take away from that natural grown product.
Yeah.
I mean, this is natural stuff. So, you know, we build our houses out of wood, and, you know, a lot of things are done with wood on the inside. So a beautiful wood window, man, if you really have to have a wood window, go for it.
Yeah, wood is a good option because it's classic.
Sure is. It'll never die.
And it's been around since the beginning of windows. Wood windows have been the window. The customer base for these windows are typically new construction, higher end homes that, you know, don't want a name brand window. They want something that's a little off.
Sure.
And so we offer Weather Shield because actually they're in the wood clad window arena.
Yeah.
They're pretty competitive in their pricing.
Well, that's good to know, and that would be
Yeah.
good for anybody. I mean, I've never heard of these guys, but did you say that they came from the East Coast?
Yeah, I think they're based out of the East Coast.
Okay. So that means that you can get them basically anywhere, probably across America.
Yeah.
I would think you can get these. Another thing that I'm noticing about these windows, again, is the simulated divided lights. I mean, it's a dual pane window, but you're getting the grid on the inside and on the outside. Another feature that I really, really like. But with this, it's just, yeah, I mean, it's gonna cost you a little bit more money than like a vinyl window, but yeah, this is a great system. Tell me, we got kind of like a nice pepper red and then a black. I mean, are there other color options that they offer?
Yeah, there are. One of the popular ones too is their forest green color. They've got several different colors.
Well, that's nice.
For the exterior colors, and then also something on the inside is, obviously we have this one, it's been painted black. They have other colors that they can paint the inside with.
Okay.
This is a stain, and the stain options, you could either get it bare wood, and you could have your own painter
Stain it whatever color.
Whatever color,
Yeah.
clear coat.
Or you can probably have them do it too.
Or we could have Weather Shield do it, and
Nice.
Weather Shield sends out several different color options.
Gotcha.
So, just like any other window brand, they send out chips, and you can pick your colors that they offer.
Oh, that's cool.
So it could be stained like this, or it could come raw wood, or it could come clear coated, or a different
That's good to
stain
know.
color.
That's good to know.
Same thing with the hardware colors. There's different, you know, you can get brushed nickel,
Oh, cool.
black, oil rubs, bronze. If
Probably
you're looking
paintable
for-
multiple times if you
Oh,
needed
yeah.
to. Like if later down the road, 10, 15 years, you wanted to paint it, you could, again, a wood window, it's one of those surfaces a lot like fiberglass. It'd be kind of a sin, in my opinion, to paint over wood, but you want what you want.
Yeah, I truly don't understand people who want to paint over a wood product. To me, it's meant to be stained and the wood grains are meant to be shown off.
We may set off some people with that one, but that's all right. That's okay. We could have an opinion. Thanks again for showing these windows. Really
Absolutely.
appreciate it. And about to come by and visit you some more in the next few weeks or whatever. But well, guys, this is Weather Shield Windows. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to Brian if you are in the Ventura area and you wanted to maybe get a quote for some Weather Shield windows if you're interested in a wood-clad style. Brian, how would they get a hold of you?
Phone number is 805-701-0668, or you can visit our website, pureviewwindowanddoor.com.
All right, sounds good. And you guys know how to get a hold of me, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, if you have questions. Talk to you later. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.